Tuesday's precise and important news. So far, 26,390 beggars have been collected from Kabul city. Up until January 23 of this year, the beggar collecting committee collected 26,390 beggars from Kabul, and the process is ongoing. Food and non-food aid distributed to needy people in Baghlan. During the cold winter, Afghan Red Crescent Society has distributed food and non-food stuff to 24 vulnerable and cold-affected people in various villages of Baghlan, Jadid and Pulikhamri districts of Baghlan province. United States began consulting with its allies about the recognition of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Spokesperson for the United States Department of State says that the United States has started consultations with its allies regarding the recognition of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan as a legitimate government. The European Union asks the world to continue its support to the new government. European Union says that the world needs to support the new government of Afghanistan in order to maintain stability in Afghanistan and the region. Uzbekistan to reconnect the 250 megawatt import electricity to Afghanistan. Today, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Uzbekistan assured Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan that a number of technical problems in the electricity generation sector have been resolved and necessary preparations are done to reconnect up to 250 megawatts of electricity in the next 24 hours. Debt to auction $15 million. The Afghanistan Bank will auction $15 million tomorrow Wednesday to keep the local currency rate stable in the market. Kabul police arrests a group of robbers. The police of the 11th Security District of Kabul arrested a group of 13 robbers. According to the police statement, these robbers had fraudulently taken $50,000 from a national businessman. The police added that the suspects will be introduced to judicial organs after the initial investigations.